Welcome back to BTV's Rick Riley's World. We're back here with Rick Riley, and he's going to show us another one from his collection. How you doing, Rick?
Pretty good. How y'all today?
I imagine they're good. What we got here?
Got a 1974 100 International pickup, two-wheel drive. I don't know. We've had this truck about seven years or so. My wife found it at an AMC Nationals up in Kenosha, Wisconsin. It was a one-owner truck. Got I think it's 24,000 original miles on it. Everything that's on it is pretty much original. And just a nice driving and riding and running truck.
The chairs.
We drove this back from Kenosha, well actually Milwaukee, when we bought it. And like I said, I believe it had 20,000 some miles on it when we got it. We've got a lot of compliments on the color schemes and stuff on it. And it seemed like the women really kind of like it a lot for some reason.
So what motors it got in it?
This has got it's an AMC engine actually. International call it, of course, for 400. It's actually an AMC 401. And any of you guys out there that's got trucks like this with this engine in it and you're thinking about swapping it out for a LS or something else like that, I can just tell you like Shelby on Axeman, just don't do it.
See under the hood.
These engines have got the potential to grab this lap. These engines got the potential to make some pretty decent horsepower with just a little bit of modification. International put a 2-barrel on them, which all the AMCs had 4 barrels on them. The timing, they got them retarded to where they don't run to their full potential. So you can make 400 horsepower out of them pretty easy with minimal effort. Like I say, intake, carburetor.
You think it'll keep up with an LS?
I think so. If you do it right, yeah.
Let's hear it, right?
You know, LS is like, I don't know. My neighbor's got a weed eater he put an LS on, and he still can't get it to run. And he told me that what that LS stands for is lucky if it'll start. So he might be onto something, I don't know. But I've been playing around with the timing and stuff. I might have it jacked up a little bit too much because I still got the 2-barrel on it.
Sounds pretty good, Rick.
Like I said, it'll surprise you. And like I said, if you got in an international with an AMC motor in it, and you go out and blow the doors off a couple Mustangs, you've made a statement.
I'll bet you have wanted to try to do that. Well, thanks for showing us that. We'll see you next time.
Y'all have a good one. See you later.